Happy Earth Day, guys. Gonna try a little something different today, so no bass. But I believe this is a bull thistle, a Florida edible, and apparently you can eat everything if you can take off all the spikes. I was gonna try harvest the little bulb, but this one looks a little done. So I'm gonna try eating the stalk today, just the long part. And hopefully I don't get pricked too much. So, happy Earth Day, guys. This is the bull thistle. Gnarly stuff. Its natural protection are the spikes. And apparently it tastes like celery. I'll try to find more before I start processing them. Pretty gnarly plant, huh? Alright, look at these buds. This is definitely a bull thistle, but again, I am an amateur forager. I was just starting. Bees and pollinators really love these buds. And you can see it's pretty gnarly. I guess not as gnarly as the other one, but a spike is a spike, huh? Alright, I'm gonna go harvest this guy and see what's up. Man, this is a pretty bull thistle. And look, we got a pollinator inside. Several pollinators. I'm just gonna leave this one here, leave it alone. Just for the bees and pollinators. We always could use more flowers anyways. So let's check out the stalk, huh? Bull thistle. Today I'm harvesting it for Earth Day. And I just learned that you can eat the stalk, leaves, and everything if you trim off all the thorns, but again, I'm no expert. So do your own due diligence and do your research. Yeah, it's pretty. It's got a lot of webs. I don't want to really bother that. But the pollinators. This one, on the other hand, a little bit more dead. Thin stalk. There's another one growing next to it, but I only want to collect a few today because this is my first time, and I just want to see what happens. So let's see. Apparently it tastes like artichoke too, like artichoke hearts if you trim this right, but we'll see. Using scissors and glove, and I think that'll about do it. Alright guys, not sure if I'm gonna make a compilation or not, but here's the bull thistle. I just learned about it in foraging Florida. This is Florida. I don't believe we have milk thistles down here, but I believe this is the bull thistle. My bucket might not hold up, but I've got 4 stalks here. Apparently the taste of celery and artichoke hearts. I'll probably process the majority of it here by just removing these leaves, because they're too much work to remove every single spike to eat the leaves, although apparently it is edible. Again, do your research, do your due diligence. I am no expert. That's a disclaimer. Oh man, a lot of exposure, huh? But today I'm going to try eating the stalks, which should taste like celery, and maybe the buds, which should taste like artichoke hearts. Happy Earth Day. Okay, I just finished kind of trimming off all the leaves and the spikes. Not really getting off all the bark. I'll try to do that back at my place. Trimmed off the top. Now I have super long stalks, maybe like tallest one's 4 feet, smallest one like 2.5. Interesting enough, they're hollow inside. So I'm gonna have to get the bark off completely, and then the inside is what you're gonna want to eat. These bulbs are a little too tiny. I actually tried trimming one here and the yield is so little. I might just like chuck these back, throw them away since they grow rampant, so I'll see. But this was the bull thistle, I guess it still is. And we're gonna try to eat the stalk today. So my review of the bull thistle after working it, trimming it, and whatnot. No thanks. Not worth. I'd rather stick with the smilax.